Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDC from your Phantom wallet to Kucoin in 2025. If you're holding USDC and want to move it to an exchange for trading or other uses, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with USDC in it. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other blockchains. Also, ensure you have a verified Kucoin account, as you'll be sending funds there. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have tightened, so double-check your accounts are secure and compliant. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select USDC. You'll see your balance. Great job holding onto that. Step 2. Hit the Send or Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Kucoin account. Log in, go to your deposit page and select USDC. Copy the deposit address provided by Kucoin. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Solana or Ethereum, depending on your USDC type. Step 3. Paste that address into the Phantom Wallet Send field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw, but be mindful of network fees. In 2025, fees can vary, so aim to send enough to cover them without overdoing it. Step 4. Double-check everything. Review the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to sign it with your wallet. Go ahead and approve. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Kucoin and check your account balance. Your USDC should be there. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. And if you're new to this, start small to avoid any mishaps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.